Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. We're all decorated up at the Executive Mansion and ready for open houses. They'll start the 8th and they'll get run 8th, 9th, and 10th here. So come on out and see us if you want to see all these wonderful things in person. This is generally our favorite Christmas tree in here. It's our North Carolina tree. We have our state flower and our state bird. Oh, and a little wreath over here with the dogwood and the cardinals. That's cute. Even I see something new every time I come in. This is the ladies' parlor, and I like it. It's very restful. We have beautiful mantelpieces. Most of the magnolia leaves and some of the greenery came from trees here on the property. Every year we try to have a different theme in the ballroom, and this year we're doing animal rescue groups, and we're going to be able to donate, have information on donating to pet rescue. Here we have our plank tree that is in the sort of specialty of our decorator, which we really like. It has lots of birds and wildlife and things that I really care about. My favorite piece is the mantle piece. It's very festive. It's hard to decorate around a blue room and have it look like Christmas, but that really sets it off. We can't wait to see you here. Hope you come out and take a look around. This is a people's house, and we love being able to finally welcome people back in again. So, I look forward to sharing all of this with you and letting you see everything up close because it's amazing this year. Have a happy holiday.